Have you ever made a formulation and it went bad? You formulated the hair product and within a few days it was growing mold or bacteria. Today I'll be sharing reasons why your hair care formulation could go bad. Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Here at Midex Formulation School, I share tips and tricks to help you in your formulation journey. If you are yet to subscribe to my YouTube channel, please subscribe by clicking the notification bell down below. So some formulators complain that their products go bad. Within a few days, a few weeks, it has changed form, it has changed color, in fact maybe it's even separating or it's just growing mold or bacteria. This can be really annoying and frustrating as a formulator, so I'll be sharing with you reasons why this could be happening. The first reason why this could be happening is instability of emulsion. When the emulsion of your product is unstable, this is because the water phase and the oil phase of your product separate. What causes the water phase and the oil phase of your product to be separating? Firstly, the water phase and the oil phase of your product was not added at the right temperature. There is a particular temperature at which the emulsion should be formed. So if it is not at that temperature, then it's going to affect the emulsion of the product and this will cause it to separate. Another reason why the emulsion of your product could be unstable is that you are not including the right quantity of emulsifier. The particular percentage of your total oil phase that your emulsifier should be, and if it is not at that right percentage, then definitely it's going to affect the stability of your emulsion. Also, some people blend their emulsion for too long. Some people don't want their emulsion to separate and then they end up blending it with the stick blender for too long. This could also affect the stability of your emulsion. Additionally, when you don't include gum in your formulation, it could affect the stability of your emulsion. The purpose of a gum in your formulation is to stabilize the emulsion, and if a gum is not included, then it would affect the stability of your emulsion. Finally, a reason why your emulsion could be unstable is that you are using a cationic emulsifier with an anionic gum. You are not supposed to use these two products together in a formulation because it's definitely going to cause it to separate. It's going to affect the stability of your emulsion. The second reason why your formulation could be going bad is contamination. Why do we say you should store your hair care products in an airtight container and in a dry environment? This is because moisture and external elements could affect the shelf life of your product. So imagine you get 500 grams of deep conditioner, you put it in your bathroom, maybe on your bathroom cabinet, and you do not close very well. There is moisture, contamination, like different things are just happening, and you're expecting the product not to go bad. It definitely would go bad. This is why it is advisable to package your water-based formulations in tubes or bottles with dispenser. If you are still watching this video, then it means you are enjoying it or you are learning from it. Do not forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel by clicking the notification bell down below because I'll be sharing more videos like this. Another way to reduce the level of contamination of your hair product is to make sure that you sterilize the surface and the equipment you'll be using. A lot of people go ahead to make their hair care products without even sterilizing the tools they'll be using, and that is very long. Sterilize your tools using spirits or ethanol or bleach. I hope you have learned from this video. If you would love to learn how to formulate hair care products like a professional, then my professional course is for you. Do send me a DM at Midex_Formulation School on Instagram for more information. You can also watch other formulation videos on my channel. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.